All right, today is September the 17th, 2015, and we're looking at the infrared loop for the Northeast Pacific, and we're watching some thunderstorms right down here that are spinning in a clockwise manner around a high pressure over Mexico right here, and these are spinning around, and some of this moisture is coming right up into northern Baja California and into eastern California and into Arizona and also New Mexico and Texas. Uh, let's go ahead and look at this same shot in the water vapor loop, and we can see what's happening. All day long, transmitters have been blowing apart storms right as they come up around from the 9 o'clock position up to around the 12 o'clock position up here. They're wrapping around in a clockwise manner, and we can see right here that this storm is being blown apart. There's a blast pattern right here. And all day today, these storms right here have been blown apart, and we can see the steam and water vapor that has come up around as a result of that. This is all just leftover water vapor from those transmitters blowing those storms apart. All right, we have an onshore flow right now. High pressure out here in this area is moving eastbound. We had very clear skies today, very nice deep blue skies all day today. And the barometric pressure tonight has dropped from this morning. This morning, the barometric pressure was 30.02, and tonight it's 29.97. So the pressure has dropped, although it is forecast to rise because we do have a heat wave forecast for Saturday and Sunday. It's supposed to be around 100 to 102 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles and the valleys of Los Angeles, uh, on the weekend. So what's happening is that they're forecasting this high pressure to move back to the west and heat things up, and then move back out of the way. And then there's a trough down here that they've indicated on their television maps that it's going to move in and give us some rain on Tuesday. All right. And I think that if we look at these pressure maps, this is a sea level map right here, sea level pressure map. We've got two highs indicated here, and we've got a very large low that's spinning right over Alaska up here. All right, let's go look at the 300 millibar map. And this is the trough that they're talking about that's going to move in and deliver some rain on Tuesday right here after this high moves in to the west and then moves out of the way back to the east. Then this is supposed to move in and give us rain. So that's what they've got on the menu for California, which is good. If we can get some rain out of that, that's great. We'll take it. Okay, so let's go take a look at the this is the East Pacific water vapor loop, and we can see some detail on this thunderstorm cluster being blown apart. There's a blast. There's a lot of evidence of a blast right here, all the way around that storm. We can see the blast pattern all the way around this storm right here. And the general flow is to the northeast. And all day long, as I was mentioning, they were hitting storms all through here to prevent rain from getting into northern Baja and into California. So they're blowing these apart, and the same over here. They're doing the same thing right here. All these storms here were being attacked, and all this white, this is like steam. This is all water vapor and steam that's left over from these transmitters that are superheating these cores and blowing these storms apart. All right. Okay, so let's go back to the big map once again. We've got something out here trying to spin counterclockwise. There's heat on that. And we have Hawaii right here, which is right near a very large storm system or thunderstorms right here. This is not a storm technically, but it is it's a very intense weather right here. And it's being protected. Hawaii is being protected by a HARP transmitter that's parked right over this counterclockwise spinning low pressure system right here. There's a high right on top of that that is keeping this in check, preventing that from spinning up into a hurricane. All right. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We'll just keep an eye on things. We do have some other maps we can take a look at. This is the southwest water vapor loop. You can see the general flow is to the northeast. All right. Okay. This is the western U.S. water vapor loop. And we do see something here spinning counterclockwise. That's near Hawaii. That's what we were just looking at. There's a trough down here, and that is supposed to move in and give us rain. But I'll have to see that to believe it. There's some strange things happening here. We got a lot of weather moving in this direction, but we got high pressure all through here. That may block everything, and I can't say for sure what's going to happen. We'll just have to wait it out. Okay, so here's the rainbow loop for the same map. We've seen that, and we've seen these pressure maps. Okay, that's pretty much it. We've got Alaska right here, a strong low pressure system spinning over Alaska right here. It's being hit by a transmitter. We can see the dry air right in the core of that spinning low. Let's take another look at this. You can see better what's going on. The center of that low is right around right here. Okay, so this is a spinning and very large system, low pressure spinning there. And we have, this is a 988 millibar low pressure system with a large cold front. And we'll keep an eye on this. We've got two highs here, which will probably block this system here. And we were watching that here over on this other map right here. So these highs are probably going to block all of this weather as we've seen over and over. So we'll just keep an eye on everything, and we might get some rain from here, or something may develop out here. We'll just have to wait and see. All right, so that's it.